Hi, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and so is fashion. My name is Natasha, and thank you if you've been here before or if you're new here. Um, Today I'm doing a haul. This is part one of a haul where I did a makeup haul and a game haul. And let's see what else I did. No, okay, it was just a game haul and a makeup haul. So let's start with this here. And I got this, most of this stuff was from Ulta. Oh, and I did an earring haul also. Now I picked this up for my niece. And this is a traveling set. I just want her to try to see how much she likes it. So just getting her started, like a little startup kit when you travel. And what is this name is Beija? Beaja? Whatever. It's from Sol J Janeiro. One of the newest ones scent that they put out. And it includes the body wash, the lotion, and the body spray, and it smells so good. It smells real good. All right, so let's go for my little kit. And I bought this one for me so that I can try it out. Cause I originally bought the lotion in the for the $85, but I can't seem to find it. So I don't know whether or not somebody came in and took it from me, or not I just misplaced it. So I went ahead and bought this sample set so I can see whether or not I like it at all. Cause like I said, I didn't get to enjoy the bigger size one. And this one includes the body wash, the lotion, and the body spray. So, alright, so moving on. I got this cream for confidence in a cream from It. This seems to work really well, gives my body my face the moisture that I'm looking for. But the way that I use it is I clean my face first with alcohol, and then I turn around and I chase it with this here confidence and cream. I let this set for 5 to 10 minutes, because if I let it set for any longer, then if there's grease in it, it's gonna cause my face to build up the grease, which is gonna cause my face to start getting acne or blackhead. So I let it set for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and then I clean it off with alcohol again and call it a day. So I use it at night only when I'm done for the night. Okay. So I got this here also from Sephora, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm probably saying that last name wrong. It's gonna be a heck getting this open. There we go. OMG. Did you see that? This one is disconnected. OMG. I didn't even know that. And it's too late to send it in because I've had it for a while. Just now beginning to unbox it. Oh wow. I wonder if I could super glue that down. This is gonna be my best choice. To pay that much money and have it like that. Oh well. Oh, let me show you guys the color. I'm just just disappointed. Let me see if I can get it open. Alright. These are the colors. Beautiful colors, aren't they? Let's start with the one that's disconnected. That's how it looks. That's another one. This is the other one. Very big, nice pigmentation. I think I paid like $75 for it. For that amount of money, you better be giving me something from it. Okay. So moving on. So I turn around and I got the what is this? The Tarte Double Take. I recently tried it last month and I liked it, so I decided to buy me a new one. Because the last one I got from oh my goodness, it's a beauty box. I can't remember the name of it because now it's taken over by a different beauty box. What is the name of it? I can't remember the name. But it came in that beauty box, and I had it for over 2, 3 years, and I couldn't find my Pat McGrath eyeliner, so I decided to try it, and it worked out just fine. And I've been using it ever since last month. So I decided to buy me a new one because I'm almost out. And that's what I bought. I re-upped. All right, and this is from Milk Cosmetic, the Millennium. And these are the colors. Beautiful colors, aren't they? Let's try this one. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's real pretty. Those are the colors that's in it. And this is from Too Faced It. And this is the maple syrup pancakes. I guess this is like the Christmas one. And it does smell good. It has a scent to it. I wouldn't say that it smells like pancake syrup or pancakes, but it does have a smell to it. And these are the colors. Beautiful colors. I especially like this green one here. Okay, I can get the plastic off with just one hand. Let's see if I dump it. There we go. That didn't help either. That plastic is in there. Okay, there we go. Look at that. It's beautiful. Isn't that pretty, you guys? It's real pretty. Okay. Alright, just hold on and get it back whenever. Alright, so then I lastly got the Pat McGrath palette. And this is the, I wondered if it had a name. I can't remember the name of it. It's one of the latest ones that she put out. And it sold out real fast. There we go. The green is pretty right there. Isn't that a pretty color? And this is part one of a two-part haul. And these are color. I like this green and this green. Let me try this green. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It is like a beautiful deep emerald green. That is just gorgeous. It's putting the other greens to shame from the other palettes. That is just gorgeous. I decided to try it on my legs and it comes off black. Oh well. Alright, so I got picking up some earrings off of eBay. And let's just try to hide that. And that's what it says. You know, the rich itch. And this one says the bad itch only. I know they were gonna be this super big, but I wanted some statement pieces. That's why I bought them. Something to make you stand out and holler. Alright, so this here goes with a game, the Mars to Panic. And I had to buy them separate because the original one was on sale. The game itself was on sale. It usually goes for $19.99 all the way up to $29.99. And it's supposed to come with the gun itself as well as the game cartridge. And it did not come with the gun, so I had to order it separately from two different stores because the one on that I ordered it from do not sell it individually. But yet it doesn't sell it in the package either, so it ripped us off. Now this was bought as a gift towards me. I had to buy this one myself though, because the other one, like I said, the game complete game set did not come together. I got this off of Walmart, and this goes with the game. Let's see if we can come up with the game real quick. See if it has a game here. No, I don't have a game here. I must have bought it some time ago. So this is some of the games that I did get, and this one is 6 games in one. It's the time management game collection. So this is gonna be a good game. I got that from eBay, and then we got the Super Mario U Deluxe. I'm a gamer, you guys. Days of Doom. I used to be a gamer on the computer, but every time I would play, put the CD in or something like that, it would always be scratched and start me from the beginning. It never got to the middle and never got to the end. No, it would get to the middle but never got to the end. So I stopped playing it on computer and just started playing it on consoles. So this is Game Days of Doom, Crash Bandicoot, It's About Time, Five Nights at Freddy's, and this includes 4 games in it in one. And believe it or not, this says $24, and this was a Black Friday sale. No, it's a Cyber Monday sale. So I got it for I think $9.99 for 4 games in one. This is the Haunted Mansion, Haunted House, I mean. And this is the Super Monkey Ball Banana Mania, Manic, or whatever. And so then I went ahead and I bought some memory cards to go with it. And this is the 256 gigabyte. Believe it or not, got this on sale for $14. $14. Can you guys believe that? $14. And these were $9.99, so I got 2 of these. Two. And this one was I think $4.99. Like I said, they were all on sale. Okay. So depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And God bless. Bye.